Good morning. Uh, Today's class, I'm going to discuss third part of solutions, that is expression of concentration in terms of moles. First, let we see what is the definition and formula for mole. The formula for to calculate mole is it is denoted by small n, and the formula is weight of a substance divided by the gram molecular weight of that substance. I will explain it with a question. Calculate the number of moles present in 18 gram of water. Formula of water is H2O. As per the formula, W of water is equals to, it is given 18 grams, W is equals to 18 grams, and GMW of water, gram molecular weight of water, is equals to 16 plus 2. Molecular atomic weight of oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1 plus 1, 2 is equals to 18 grams. As per formula, N is equals to, I'm substituting these values in the formula, above formula, 18 by 18, 18 gets cancelled. So number of moles present is 1. Okay. In this, concentration is expressed in terms of moles. We have three types of concentration. First one is mole fraction. Second one is molarity. Third one is molality. First we see the definition of mole fraction. See here, Amma. Ratio between number of moles of a component to total number of moles of all components present in a solution. Okay, I will write formula. It is denoted by X is equals to of a component number of moles of a component divided by total number of moles of all components. Example, if I take a binary solution in which A and B are two components, and number of moles of A component is Na, and that of number of moles of B component is Nb. If I have to calculate mole fraction of A component, I have to write Xa is equals to, as per the formula, number of moles of a component, that is number of moles of A component is Na, and total number of moles of all component, it is binary solution, only two components are there. Number of moles of A component is Na plus number of moles of B component is Nb. This is formula for to calculate number of mole fraction of A component. Similarly, to calculate mole fraction of component B, the formula will be Nb by Na plus Nb, and the sum of Xa plus Xb equals to 1. Okay, so mole fraction, it is a ratio between number of moles of a component to total number of moles of all components present in a solution. I am taking a binary solution in which A and B are the two components, and the moles of A component is Na and the moles of B component is Nb, and formula, as per the formula, mole fraction of A component is Na by Na plus Nb, and that of mole fraction of B component Nb by Na plus Nb, and the mole fraction, two mole fractions is equals to 1, that is Xa plus Xb equals to 1. Now we'll discuss molarity. It is defined as number of moles of a solute, number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1 liter, dissolved in 1 liter or cubic decimeter of solution is defined as molarity. Okay, so formula for M is equals to, it is denoted by M, number of moles of solute, N by V in liters. As per the definition of mole, for M is equals to, I am substituting this N value from here. N is equals to W by GMW, and if the volume is given in ml, so we, in order to convert that ml, milliliters, into liters, V is divided by 1000. Rearranging the above equation, we are going to get W by GMW into this 1000 goes into denominator by V. Next, third one is molality. The definition for molality is number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Here it is solution. In molarity, it is solution, but in molality, it is number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent, and it is denoted by small m. Small m is equals to N by capital W. Again, I am substituting this N value from here. M is equals to small w by GMW, and if weight of solvent, it is weight of solvent, if it is given in grams, we have to convert into kg, so that is W divided by 1000. Rearranging this equation, we are going to get M is equals to W by small w by GMW into 1000 by capital W. Okay, in next class I am going to do problems based on mole fraction, molarity and molality.